Whether an athlete, working in a strenuous environment, or simply living an active lifestyle, pain goes hand in hand with our daily lives. For those suffering from nerve, joint, and muscle aches caused by injury, arthritis, myalgia, radiculitis, and rheumatism, there is Painex Gel for deep, penetrating, instant pain relief. Manufactured by OPES Healthcare, a trusted brand in the pharmaceutical community, quick-acting Painex Gel can provide effective cooling relief with only one application. Don't let pain hold you back. With Painex Gel, you can continue doing the things you love. Painex Gel, proven pain relief.